When it comes to capturing life's most thrilling moments, having the best 4K action camera is crucial. Whether you're hitting the slopes, diving into the ocean, or just documenting a hike, a reliable 4K action camera ensures every detail is captured in stunning clarity. These cameras aren't just for adventurers. They're perfect for anyone wanting to record high-quality videos of their experiences. Now let's dive into the top 5 best 4K action cameras of this year. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. So let's get started. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7LE. The Akaso Brave 7LE is a versatile and affordable action camera that punches well above its weight. It's perfect for those who want high-quality footage without breaking the bank. One of its standout features is its dual-screen design. The front screen is ideal for framing selfies and vlogging, while the back screen provides a clear view for regular shooting. This makes the Brave 7LE incredibly user-friendly, especially for those new to action cameras. This camera also shines in its waterproof capability. It can go underwater up to 131 feet with its case, making it an excellent choice for diving and other water sports. Imagine the underwater worlds you can explore and capture in vivid 4K detail. Its built-in image stabilization ensures smooth footage, even in the most turbulent conditions. While it may not have the most advanced stabilization compared to higher-end models, it's certainly capable of handling most action-packed scenarios. Another great feature is its voice control, allowing for hands-free operation. This is particularly useful when you're in the middle of an activity and can't physically touch the camera. Simply say a command, and the Akaso Brave 7LE responds, letting you focus on your adventure. When comparing it to more expensive models, it holds its own with solid video quality and a robust set of features, all a fraction of the price. Finally, the Akaso Brave 7LE offers excellent value with a range of accessories included in the box. From mounts to extra batteries, it has everything you need to get started. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of more premium cameras, it's a fantastic option for those looking to dive into the world of action cameras without a hefty investment. Number 4. Insta360 Go 3. The Insta360 Go 3 is a tiny but mighty action camera that brings a lot to the table. Its compact size makes it incredibly convenient to carry around and mount on almost anything, giving you unique perspectives that larger cameras can't offer. Despite its small stature, it delivers impressive 4K video quality that rivals larger, more expensive models. The Go 3's magnetic mounting system is a game-changer, allowing you to quickly and easily attach it to various surfaces, making setup a breeze. One of the Go 3's standout features is its flow state stabilization, which ensures buttery smooth footage even in the most action-packed situations. This is particularly beneficial for activities like mountain biking or skateboarding, where stability can make or break your shots. When comparing it to other cameras on this list, the Go 3 stands out for its portability and ease of use, making it perfect for spontaneous filming and capturing moments on the go. Additionally, the Go 3 excels in its editing software, offering a range of creative tools to enhance your footage. The Insta360 app provides intuitive controls and a variety of editing options, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. This is a significant advantage for those who want to share their adventures quickly and easily without spending hours on post-production. The battery life of the Insta360 Go 3 is another strong point, lasting up to 45 minutes of continuous shooting. While this might seem short compared to larger models, it's impressive for such a compact device. The charging case doubles as a remote control, adding another layer of convenience. In comparison to other action cameras, the Insta360 Go 3 is a versatile and innovative option, especially for those who value portability and ease of use. Number 3. Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is a versatile action camera that offers a unique modular design, allowing you to switch between different lenses and sensors to suit your needs. This flexibility is one of its key strengths, enabling you to capture everything from standard action shots to 360-degree footage. The 4K boost lens provides stunning clarity and detail, making it perfect for capturing high-octane adventures. One of the most notable features of the One RS is its excellent stabilization technology. The flow state stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're snowboarding down a mountain or running through rough terrain, the One RS delivers consistently high-quality results. This places it ahead of many competitors in terms of versatility and performance. The One RS also stands out with its robust build quality and waterproof design. It's built to withstand harsh conditions, making it an ideal companion for extreme sports and outdoor activities. You won't have to worry about damaging your camera in tough environments, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Compared to other action cameras, the One RS offers a durable and reliable option that can handle almost anything you throw at it. Another significant advantage of the Insta360 One RS is its feature-rich app, which provides a wide range of editing tools and creative options. The app's AI-powered editing functions make it easy to create impressive videos with minimal effort, giving you professional quality results without the need for extensive editing skills. In comparison to other cameras, the One RS is a top choice for those who want a versatile and powerful action camera with advanced editing capabilities. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a powerhouse in the action camera market, offering a range of features designed to capture stunning 4K footage. One of its standout features is the dual-screen design, allowing you to see exactly what you're shooting whether you're in front of or behind the camera. This makes it a great choice for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts who need to frame their shots perfectly. In terms of video quality, the Osmo Action 4 excels with its rock-steady stabilization technology. This ensures smooth and steady footage, even in the most demanding conditions. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or high-speed chases, the Osmo Action 4 delivers consistently excellent results. When compared to other action cameras, its stabilization performance is among the best, making it a top contender for capturing professional-grade footage. The Osmo Action 4 is also designed to be durable and waterproof, capable of withstanding depths of up to 36 feet without an additional case. This makes it an excellent choice for underwater adventures and harsh environments. Its robust build ensures that it can handle the rigors of extreme sports, giving you peace of mind while you capture your adventures. Compared to other cameras, the Osmo Action 4 offers a rugged and reliable option for those who need a camera that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Another key feature of the DJI Osmo Action 4 is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. The camera's touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly access settings and modes. This is a significant advantage for those who want to focus on capturing the moment rather than fiddling with controls. In comparison to other action cameras, the Osmo Action 4 stands out for its ease of use and high-quality performance, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest and greatest in GoPro's lineup of action cameras, setting a new standard for 4K video quality and performance. Its advanced HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization technology ensures that your footage is silky smooth, no matter how rough the action gets. This makes it an ideal choice for capturing everything from extreme sports to casual outings, providing consistently high-quality results that are hard to beat. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its improved low-light performance. This allows you to capture clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions, making it perfect for adventures that continue into the evening. When compared to other action cameras, the Hero 12 Black excels in delivering top-notch video quality across a wide range of environments, making it a versatile and reliable choice. The Hero 12 Black is also designed with durability in mind, being waterproof up to 33 feet without the need for an additional case. This makes it an excellent choice for underwater filming and other activities where the camera might get wet. Its rugged build ensures that it can withstand the toughest conditions, allowing you to focus on your adventure without worrying about your gear. Compared to other action cameras, the Hero 12 Black offers unmatched durability and reliability. Another significant advantage of the GoPro Hero 12 Black is its extensive range of accessories and mounts. This allows you to customize your setup to suit your needs, whether you're mounting the camera on your helmet, bike, or even a drone. The GoPro ecosystem is unparalleled in terms of versatility and compatibility, making it a top choice for those who want a camera that can adapt to any situation. In comparison to other cameras, the Hero 12 Black stands out for its comprehensive accessory support and top-tier performance. There you have it, the top 5 best 4K action cameras of 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.